Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually change your Instagram username. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, if you would like to change your username from your IG, it's basically very simple. However, there are some information that you need to take note, or else your IG profile will be at risk. Okay, so here we go. You can just go to your profile settings. All right. So at your profile settings, we are going to go under the edit profile. Yeah. So a quick ones right here, if you can see straight away, you will actually display your name and also your username right there. Yeah, so that will be the two that we are going to focus right here. All right. So first of all, the first one, name. This section, it'll be pretty much, like very easy. You can just change the name to whatever name that you preferred. Yeah, this is just a display name right here. So it can be the same name. Yeah, it can be the same name as other people. So if let's say someone else is called Zevin Gui, you can also use the same name. Yeah, so it doesn't need to be like 100% unique. All right, it doesn't need to be 100% unique. So you can just go ahead with whatever name that you prefer, and just change it. Right, so I can just use like 899, whatever it is. All right, and I click on done if I want to change, right? So, or Zevin Gui, hello. All right. Now, but one thing to take note right here, if you can see there's a, some remarks, message descriptions right below the changes, right? And there's one last line that you need to take notes. Yeah, very, very important. And it's actually stated right here, whereby you can only change your name twice within the 14 days. All right. So meaning to say, right now, if I change to Zevin Gui, hello, and I click on done, is considered one time. All right. And I go ahead and go to like Zevin Gui 88. I mean, second time if I feel like, hello, what kind of name is this, right? And I just want to change again, and I change it to 88, and I click on done, is considered second time. But right now, if after I change for like 2 times, right, and I feel like this is definitely a bad name. Like, what kind of name is this, right? So I want to change it back. But what happened is that I already utilized twice, okay? The twice of the chance to change my name. And right now, the changing of the name features will be locked. And I won't be able to change the name anymore until I have to wait for like 14 days later. Okay, so after 14 days of the waiting period, then only I can reattempt again to change the name. All right. Now, for this section, I think it won't impact too much for your name section, but it will be a risk for your username. Why? Now let's see. All right. So over right here, second one that we'll be looking into, it will be the username. So same thing, username right here. You can just go ahead and change your username. All right. But the main thing right here will be the username. It has to be 100% unique. All right. So if let's say I have already registered Zevin Gui, yeah, Alliance Zevin Gui as my IG username or my handle, right? Other users, they won't be able to register this username anymore, right? So those users, they yet to onboard to IG. Okay, so it's based on like first come first serve basis. So this is based on human names, right? But sometimes if let's say some of the other username that is having a very popular and very beautiful name, like let's say Internet Academy, like this kind of name is like very general and very common, right? And it's very popular among the digital economy from that, right? So everyone will be like just grabbing it, okay? Or like health tips, like this kind of like, username is very common. So everyone will be like getting it, right? But once the first person registered, you won't be able to take on the same username. So you need to try again, try and error, to test on other possible name that is yet to be registered. Okay. Now, why just now I say that it will be a risk? Reason behind over right here, it will be, let's say I changed my username twice already. Okay, I go to like Zevin88 twice. First one, maybe I go Zevin99. Then I feel this number is not a good number. I change it again to Zevin88. And this is not a good number. I prefer not to have the numbers right there. I want to go back to my earlier versions of only Zevin. Now, you need to pray. Pray hard that within the 14 days, there's no one else is registering the account, the IG account, with the same username. Yep. So why? Because when the moment that you decided to change, right, and you change to 88 and save done, the old username, Zevin Gui, it will be available in the market. Yep, it will be available for other users to register. So right now, within that 14 days, if your features is locked, you can't change the username anymore, and someone else register, after the 14 days, then only you'll feel like, hey, I regret and I want to come back and change. Unfortunately, it's already taken. You won't be able to get back your username anymore. Alright? So this is the risk that every one of you need to take notes. Alright? So when you are changing your username, I understand that it's so easy with a click of a button. You can just change, but think twice. Yeah? Once you change, it means you are giving up the username, and that username will be released back to the market for other people to register. Alright, so once you decided and you confirm that you want to change your handle, straight away you can just click on done. Alright, so over right here, once you click on done, one more time, you need to click on top right corner of done again, and that's it. Alright, you'll be able to see that on your top left, your username will be displayed right there. Your new username will be displayed right there, and at the same time, your display name will be below of your profile picture. Alright, so that's all in this video that I would like to share with you on how you can actually change the username on your IG settings, profile settings, right? So if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And meanwhile, if you successfully, change your username, you can also leave a comment below and let us know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.